Welcome to Folsom Lake Kia, servicing the Sacramento area with great deals and award-winning service. And here's another look at a great vehicle from our huge selection of pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs, and comes equipped with tire pressure monitoring system, air conditioning, CD player, anti-lock braking, cloth seating, bucket seats, dual front airbags, and has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Only the best trade-ins and purchased vehicles make it through our meticulous inspection and reconditioning process. We know it matters who you buy from, and that's why here at Folsom Lake Kia we say making you a great deal is the easy part, but keeping our commitment to you is the most important part. Come in today and let us show you what excellence in customer service looks like. We're located off Highway 50 at Folsom Boulevard under the flag.